have a little tip when I insert in here. Might be some confusion as to these two tools. You're going to use these a lot, sheet metal work, especially doing any kind of patch pounds for final trimming and stuff. These are Snips, these are aviation Snips, these are Shears. The difference, not just the name, the actual use. Snips, designed for edge cutting. They'll give you a nice, tight cut right along an edge. However, they have serrated jaws. So I don't know if you can tell, but I can feel it real easy. This jagged, serrated edge. That has to be removed before you do any welding on that. Whereas a shear, it's exactly what it says. It's shearing the metal. So now, you'll get a nice clean edge on there. But the drawback, you can't get as tight as you can with the snips. The serrations are in there for two reasons. One, to grab that lower blade and keep it in place so that you can just take thousandths off of an edge. Shear is made for ripping down panels this way. These are not. There's your tip.